Okay, here is my look for the day. Look for the day. There. Great.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described
Okay.
by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
I had on my loafers too. Cute. Okay, guys, today's outfit, Tuesday. Trusty old, I have a heel. Okay, so today is purge day. Today, it's time to really get in here. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be purging. So much stuff in here, so much stuff, and I'm getting rid of it. I usually don't let myself get this backed up and behind, but I'm ready, and I'm ready for a revival. I'm ready to get back to the, the nitty gritty of how I like to style. Right now my closet is pretty basic and safe, slightly bland, but doesn't have to be because I'm a huge believer of accessorizing. Their shoes, necklaces, jackets, bags. But there's some things I need to let go and share those. So, stay tuned. Closer. There's stuff back here. This is my workout drawers. That's fine. Swimming suits. Bathing suits. Okay. This is packed. Oh my gosh. So first off, this drawer, everything in it needs to go. I don't wear them anymore, but they are really nice. They're from Zara. Somebody needs to wear them. Okay, I'll try and get you a little closer and show you what I'm purging. see the bar here. But I need to get you all in here a little closer. I really need to get you in a little closer. I'm thinking. So, I don't know. So I'll just get you a little closer like this, okay? And then maybe when I stand, you can't see me. So, you already seen the craziness of the closet, right? You already know. You've already seen it. So you know it's a big deal. We're gonna hang things on this rack and we're gonna figure out what stuff we want to give away, what stuff we're keeping. So everything that goes on this rack is keeps. You guys have seen this one piece made well jumper that you know I love.